Next question I'm taking is from Teja. He's asking, can we directly access Redis data without doing embedding as knowledge base? So I'm expecting you are asking here that you have a Redis database which already exists and now you want your LLM to go and access this database. Hopefully I have understood your question right. Let me answer that as part of your question into a 1-minute question answer series. Check my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Now, Redis is a data store. You need to have an integration or a method to access that data store. Now, Bedrock does not have a direct integration with particular Redis as a data store. So what we need to do, we need to have a middleware in between. That could be a Lambda function, could be a API gateway, or could be any other custom service which you have implemented. So we need somebody who would ask or who would get information from Bedrock, go to Redis, get data, and then return it to Bedrock. So we may not directly integrate it, and we may need a middleware in between.